If you have a hard time removing tape and extensions, you guys watch this for all my inside tips and tricks. I prefer to work from the top to the bottom when I'm removing tapes. I clip the hair up and out of the way as I remove, and I kind of work my way along the head that way. You're going to spritz the Great Lengths Tape X extension solution on the end of a tail comb. These attachments come out so easily that you just want to gently peel them away from the hair. You don't want to spray the Tape X solution directly on the hair. Instead, when you're trying to remove any sort of residual residue, you're just going to spritz it on the comb and repeat that throughout. These extensions come out like a dream. You're always going to peel the tape from one side to the other as if you're peeling a sticker, and remove any remaining residue, any shedding or anything with the comb, as opposed to applying this directly onto the bands. If you ever wonder what to do if the tape stays in the hair, you're going to go ahead and remove the attachment first and then gently pull the tape off. If you need to spritz the comb one more time with the Tape X solution, it's going to slide right out. Now we're going to use the reusing bands from Great Lengths. These are also a dream. You're going to separate the attachments, and then here's my big tip, you guys. Use your thumb to slide the band off the extension, but then keep pre-cut paper towels available to kind of roll the band into the paper towel so that your hands remain residue free and clean. Attach the extension to the band and repeat. No need to